Hey everyone, this is Tom Taylor. We're back at the 2019 Grand National Roadster Show in Pomona. This is the Rotters Journal, sponsored by McGuire's. Thank you, McGuire's. So check out some of the new stuff we've got for the 25th anniversary, and thank you for 25 years. Okay, so for the second year in a row, Chad has brought a Roadster all the way from Georgia. But we're going to let him tell us about it. So there he is. Say hi to the Facebook.
Hello, everybody. I'm Chad Adams from Adams Hot Rod Shop in Calhoun, Georgia.
Very good. Very good. All right, you're a glutton for punishment because this is the second year in a row.
Yes, sir. Last year we brought 2 cars out, so this is my personal car, and it's a lot more enjoyable. Get to do what I really want to do myself. A lot of fun getting out here.
So this is you.
It's me.
Okay.
All me right here.
How long you been working on this?
Well, we left here last year, and I decided I wanted to build a car myself. And we started this car part-time weekends. And the last 3 months, me and all the guys at the shop had a lot of friends. Everybody pitched in to get us here. So,
wow. So this has only been in the works for a year.
yes, sir.
But you must have got the bug last year.
Oh, I've always had the bug. Yes, yes sir. Yeah.
All right. So let's start with the engine. So what's going on here?
What we got here is like a 59 Ford 312 wild block, 60
Right.
over, got a nice cam, 3 carburetors, just a killer little motor. And I've always been a Chevrolet man, so I guess my grandpa, he's probably rolled over his grave about 3 times. So.
Well, but a Y block. I mean, a Y block is
It's a Ford.
unusual.
Yes,
so
sir.
why a Y block?
It just fit the build. Neat little motor, vintage motor for the car to make the car look better and feel better. So
Has it been dynoed?
no dyno time.
No dyno time. I just wondered how much horsepower it's got.
Y blocks aren't known to have a lot of horsepower.
I know. That's why I wondered.
We're
yeah.
thinking maybe 320 horse, hopefully.
Okay. All right. And what's it hooked up to?
T5.
Okay. T5, and then rear end is.
A little winter split change.
Okay. Woo. Okay. Very cool. And what's the color?
It's a Washington blue with a little custom mix to it.
Okay.
We started with a Washington blue and darkened it up a bit.
Okay. And little detail on the. And you decided not to go with Kelsey's. You decided to go with.
No, these wheels are a little cooler than the Kelsey Hayes. They're actually a 33 and 34 wires. Butch Henderson out of Ohio, he cuts them. Got a 17 hoop on the back, does a 15 on the front, which they didn't make a 15
Right.
in a 17 like that. So they're
Right.
custom made wheels.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So does he just widen them, or does he put? That's okay.
No, we cut all the
You cut the
spokes
spoke
of
out and then
original
just put it in a
then-
shell.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
All right. And it's Brookville body. Brookville.
Brookville body.
Okay. Who did the upholstery?
Jamie Crook out of LJ, Georgia, sold the seat. Then me and my daughter, we did the rest of the interior on the car.
You're kidding.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
This car's totally built at my shop. Nothing outsourced.
Nothing outsourced.
Nothing outsourced.
So paint,
Paint,
everything.
I do all the paint myself.
Okay. You did all the fab.
Me and
It's
my
a-
guys did the fab.
Okay.
The
So it's
chassis,
a American
American stamping rails.
Okay.
Yep.
and tubular cross members.
Tubular
or?
cross members,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Very cool.
Yeah, I got a lot of good guys that help me do this stuff. I couldn't do it without them.
Do you guys punch your own louvers?
Not this hood, we did not.
Okay.
No.
All right.
No.
I just wondered if you had like a full max there.
We do not.
Okay. All right.
We have a chassis shop and a body shop, and we do the interior too.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any miles on this thing?
Just getting it in and out of here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you haven't tested it at all, or
Just driving it in and out.
Okay.
Just driving it in and out, that's it.
and maybe around the block at the shop or something?
No.
No.
It's been cold and raining back home. We got snow and ice. So
Oh God.
we're
Ugh.
glad to be here, man.
Yeah. No kidding. Wow. So even though you didn't win last year, you had to come back.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Probably be back a bunch more.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, we really enjoy it out here.
Okay.
You know, so
All right.
yeah. We'll be back. Maybe, who knows? Maybe next year. We got
Do you have a
couple-
customer roadster that you could be back with next year?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
Most
right.
definitely. Sure.
Do you want to tell us what it is, or?
We'll wait till next year.
Okay.
We're picking the motor up here from H&H Flathead, so it's a
Oh, okay.
It's a Flathead 12 cylinder.
A flathead 12 cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a
Yeah.
Lincoln motor. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Wow.
we'll see. It's not a 32,
Okay.
so we'll see what happens.
Is it older than a 32 or newer?
It's a late model. Yes, sir.
It's a late model.
It's a 34.
It's a 34. Okay, 34 Roadster. Is a original car?
No.
Is Steve's
Yeah.
restoration body?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
All right. Wow. See, just keep asking questions and Chad will
Yeah, you'll tell you.
fill you in.
Yeah.
Well, this looks very cool.
Thank you.
And yeah, look at the louvers. Very cool.
Yeah, Donnie Tanner out of Mobile, Alabama, pinstripe. I don't know if you noticed the highlights.
Yep. Yep.
His old buddy of mine, he come and did all that for me before I turned.
Very nice. Yeah, I like it. I like
Thank
it.
you.
So, is this a keeper, or are you gonna probably flip it and?
This car will be for sale where I can build me another.
Okay.
I do think it's the best car I've ever built
Really?
to this point in time. Yes, sir.
Okay. How many 32, 34s, Model A's do you think you built?
We built well over 200.
200?
Yeah.
Really?
Not of this quality. But yeah.
Why do you? Okay, so why do you think this car is so good?
Well, the cars in earlier days was learning.
Well,
Was cutting their teeth learning. So.
200 cars
Yeah.
though.
This is 20 years full time we've been in
Yeah.
business. So
Yeah.
we was building 13 to 15 cars a year for a lot of years.
Okay.
But they wasn't cars like this. We're glad now we're doing 3 cars a year.
Okay.
2 to 3 cars a year is all we can turn out at this level. So
Okay.
yep.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, good luck, and it's fantastic, and I guess we'll see you next year with a 34.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Yes, sir.
I mean, what colors are going to be? No, don't tell us. That's all right. I don't want to.
We'll see.
I don't want you to give too much away.
Yes, sir.
All right. So we'll do one more walk around, and then
Okay.
that'll be it. I'll let you go. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
All right. So there we are. I mean, that thing just sits right, and very cool. All right, so we'll be back in just a bit. We've got some other cars. We've got Bobby Hilton's car over there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And if he's not up for judging too soon, we might go talk to him. Anyway, so we'll be back in a bit. And thanks for watching, and thanks for reading for 25 years. And thanks to McGuire's for sponsoring these. And we will be back.